Dang.
Raising hell in the saloon pretty much every night now.
What's happening to this place?
Nuh-uh.
That's what I got.
Okay. We're playing with that, I guess.
Let's have a little fun, shall we?
You're unlikely to see a return on that investment.
So, here.
Ain't that pretty? Okay, now.
Mm-hmm.
Ha! I'll take everything I can get.
Yep.
Finally, a little sunlight from the clouds.
Lucky. I'ma check.
Nope.
Nope.
Uh-uh.
Check. Do you actually have any money you're gonna bet?
Hell and blazes.
Getting to be a mighty
Nah,
dull
fool.
habit, friend. Huh. Ain't no win too small.
Had to break sometime.
Oh, real shame there.
Just a little wager.
There's more where that came from.
Let's turn this stove up a little.
Okay. Okay. Nah. How about that?
Come on. Got no faith in your play?
Anybody here to play?
You been drinking, huh?
Here.
Worse than useless. Damn.
Things are definitely looking up.
Well, that is quite something.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Shit! Barely got loosened up.
Bye now. Forgive me, it's all I can afford.
Sounds good. Checking.
This is starting to get dull.
Oh, for the love of...
Things beginning to look up. Yep, there.
This is just getting cruel.
I admire your perseverance, at least. Ah, crap.
Interesting. Ain't gonna turn my nose up at that. Land ahoy! We are saved!
Oh, you did well.
Check. I ain't rich, so I won't pretend to be.
This is... damn.
All right. I'll take everything I can get.
There.
We got a game on our hands.
Here.
Hell and blazes.
All right, then. Okay, yes. That's what I got.
This is happening, folks. That looks healthy enough to me. Nuh-uh.
Now, don't get too worried.
Oh, for the love of...
Come on. Ah, there we go. Yeah, that's as it should be. Come here. You ain't...
Checking.
For me?
Okay,
Oh.
now. Ha! Ain't gonna turn my nose up at that.
Oh, shit.
I'll take everything I can get.
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
Might look a little, but it's a lot to me.
Ah, damn.
Ha! Ain't gonna turn my nose up at that. I keep this up, I might...
I'm a fold.
All right. I'll take everything I can get.
This is bullshit.
Fortune just giving you a right old kick up the behind.
Here, just a little.
Ain't you a timid thing?
What you so scared of?
Yeah, you weren't expecting that from me.
Let's liven this up a little, eh?
You got some stones. Betting the ranch on this one.
My guess is you're bluffing.
Here's what I'm holding.
There you go.
Ugh, you want to swap those? You let me know.
Check. Yes, come on.
Ah, that's hard to take.
Yes, come on.
I'm busted out.
All right, until next we play. That was fun, but I think I'm calling it quits.